Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to use GCMS to analyse for accelerants.
When you come into the lab, you need to be wearing your lab coat fully done up and have your safety glasses on and over your eyes. All of the lab scripts contain COSH and risk assessment information, and you need to have read these before you start working.
So coming over to the GCMS, so this part is a GC and this part is the MS, and you've got the injection port for the GC. We've also on this one got an auto sampler, but you're going to be running it in manual mode, so you're going to be doing direct injections. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. And the GC links into the MS for your mass spec analysis. So you will have a range of forensic samples that are bagged up and labelled, and these are what you're going to be analysing, and these link to the scenario on your practical sheet. So when you come to the computer, it should be on this screen. And to start your run, you go to the green arrow and check that the path is your module and accelerants. And then you're going to put a file name in. So I'm going to be analysing the glove, so I called my file name glove. You then press OK and run method, and then you're waiting for the instrument to be ready. And when it's ready, it'll come up with a screen that says start run. So you've set up everything on the file and it's told the GC what you want to run. You now need to prep the GC column for the run. So you wait for the screen to appear on your computer that says that it's ready to start the run. It's now saying waiting to prep run on the GC. So if you press the button that looks like a little test tube, it now comes up with waiting to prep run. Initially it will say not ready and have the orange light. It will then go to have a green light and ready. Now is when you go and get your sample from the oven. So I've got a glove as my sample. So it's come out the oven, it is a little bit hot. So you put it on the bench and you want to sample some of the headspace, so some of the vapours that have come off the glove. So you want to get a GC syringe, which is a sharp needle, and you want to pierce the bag somewhere near the glove but not so you're injecting into the glove, and you're going to take 200 microlitres of headspace off. So it's a GC syringe, so it's a little bit stiff just to point up, and when you're ready to take it out, just so we can reuse the bag, pull the needle out and have a bit of sellotape ready to cover up where you inject it. You then come to the instrument, to the injector, you put your syringe in, you press the plunger down, press start and take the syringe out. And now if you look at the software, you can see that it's starting to show the chromatogram running. In a few minutes you'll start to see more of your peaks. So on the screen at the moment you can see your peaks started to form, and this is going to run for about 20 minutes. When your samples run, the screen on the computer will look very similar to what you had at the start. You need to go to the other program, which is the Agilent Mass Hunter Qualitative Analysis, and here if you go File, Open Data File, go to the folder for your module, so I'm doing FZ2009 accelerants, and open your file, so mine is blur, and this will open the chromatogram for your results. You are going to be comparing the peaks in your chromatogram and the chromatogram for your other exhibits against the provided chromatograms that we've got for the possible accelerants that have been run. So you've got the ticks for 5 different accelerants that it could be. They will not match up exactly because these would be pre-run on a different day to what you're doing, but they're close enough that you can get a qualitative analysis to say what your accelerant is, which of your exhibits have that accelerant on, and make a suggestion on what happens with the forensic case.
Thanks for watching, and if you've any questions, send me an email.